Hi, today we are going to learn about the new Pride flag. This new flag is called the Progress Pride flag, and designer Daniel Quasar created it in 2018. It incorporates the rainbow LGBT pride flag, which was the hallmark symbol of LGBTQIA+ pride from the late 1970s until the early 2000s. It is composed of 6 horizontal lines: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And they represent life, healing, sunlight, nature, serenity and spirit. So what do the new colors of the Progress Pride flag mean? The colors black and brown were added to the Progress Pride flag to represent people of color. This was an important addition because people of color have often been left out of the queer narrative. Additionally, the black and brown stripes are meant to represent people living with HIV, AIDS, those who have died from it, and the stigma around the virus that is still present in our society now. The colors pink, baby blue and white was created with inspiration from the transgender flag. Pink representing girls, baby blue for boys. And white is for those who are transitioning, are neutral gender or no gender, and those who are intersexed. The Progress Pride flag shows the white, pink, baby blue, black, and brown stripes in an arrow shape. This design highlights that progress still needs to move forward. I hope you have learnt something new today. Please subscribe, like and share. I will leave you with these 4 other videos you may enjoy watching.